how much should you actually spend on adjustable dumbbells? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, FITPLAM Adjustable Dumbbells. First, let's talk about the FITPLAM Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Priced at $101.18, what caught my attention is its 5-in-1 functionality. If you want an all-in-one solution for your home workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The FITPLAM dumbbell set can be transformed into dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, and even push-up stands. It has adjustable weights ranging from 5 to 90 pounds, so whether you're just starting or a seasoned lifter, it can grow with you. Plus, the upgraded double-lock nuts ensure safety during your workouts, so you can focus on your form without worrying about weights falling off. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time setting up equipment, it might be a slight hassle, but it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize your home workout potential without needing a ton of different equipment. But skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional dumbbell experience without the multifunctionality. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Neoprene Dumbbells. Next up, we have the Amazon Basics Neoprene Dumbbell Hand Weights, priced at $45.53. The first thing that caught my eye was the colorful design and no-roll feature. If you want a simple way to tone your muscles without the confusion of high-tech features, this is worth considering. These dumbbells come in a set of 3 pairs, 3, 5, and 8 pounds, which is perfect for anyone looking to start strength training. The hexagonal shape ensures they won't roll away when you set them down, which is great for home workouts. Plus, the neoprene coating provides a comfortable grip, so you won't have to worry about slipping during those intense sets. It's a straightforward solution for beginners who want to improve their fitness without breaking the bank. However, some users have mentioned that the weights might be too light for more advanced lifters. Here's my take: if you're someone who's just starting out or looking to maintain your fitness, this won't be an issue. But if you're more experienced and need heavier weights, you might find yourself outgrowing these quickly. This is perfect for you if you're new to fitness or want something easy to store and use. But skip this one if you're already lifting heavier weights and want more challenge. Plus, for the price, you're getting solid value for entry-level gear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a bit more versatility. Product number 3, UNNMIIY Adjustable Dumbbells. Moving on, let's check out the UNNMIIY Adjustable Dumbbells, also priced at $101.18. The first thing that draws you in is its bright design and multifunctionality. If you're after a flexible dumbbell set that can adapt to your workout needs, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable weights range from 2 to 90 pounds, ensuring it meets your intensity needs at any stage of your fitness journey. Plus, the upgraded safety nuts mean you can lift with confidence, knowing your weights will stay secure during workouts. However, a few reviews pointed out that the locking mechanism could be a bit cumbersome at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it allows for a secure weight transition, reducing the risk of accidents. So while it may take some initial effort, it's a worthwhile trade-off for safety. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive set that can adapt as your strength increases. But skip this one if you prefer a simpler, easier-to-manage weight set. Honestly, for the price and functionality, it's a great investment for your home gym. Now, if the locking mechanism might not be your thing, the next product offers a really unique adjustment feature that could work better for you. Product number 4, FIERDUN Adjustable Dumbbells. Next on our list is the FIERDUN Adjustable Dumbbells, priced at $126.48. Honestly, what caught my attention was the promise of a comfortable grip and the multifunctionality. If you're looking for a durable and versatile dumbbell set, this one is worth considering. The adjustable weights range from 6 to 90 pounds, perfect for progressive training. Its thickened foam handle provides a non-slip grip, making it comfortable during longer workouts. Plus, the durable materials help prevent floor damage, which is a common concern for home gym owners. That said, some users mention that the weight adjustment mechanism could use improvement and isn't as easy as claimed. Here's my perspective. While it might take some getting used to, the safety and comfort features are definitely worth it. If you're patient with the setup, the benefits far outweigh the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want something durable that can handle varied workouts. But skip this one if you want a more straightforward lifting experience without too many features. For what you're getting, it's a solid buy for serious home fitness enthusiasts. Now, if the adjustment method sounds like it may not be your style, the next product has a fast adjustment feature that could be more to your liking. Product number 5, Kepi Adjustable Dumbbells. Finally, let's look at the Kepi Adjustable Dumbbells, priced at $215.03. What really stood out to me was the 1-second weight adjustment feature. If you want efficiency in your workouts, this might be the perfect option for you. These dumbbells allow you to adjust weights from 5 to 25 pounds in just 1 second, which is fantastic for switching between exercises without losing your rhythm. The safety weight dial system keeps everything secure, so you won't have to worry about plates shifting during your workout. Plus, the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, perfect for those longer lifting sessions. However, the higher price point might be a turnoff for some. Here's the thing, if you're serious about your home workouts and want something that saves you time and hassle, this could be worth every penny. But if you're just looking for something basic and affordable, it might not fit your budget. This is perfect for you if you value quick adjustments during your workout, but skip this one if you're not ready to invest a bit more for that convenience. It's definitely a premium option, but for committed users, it's worth it. Now, let's wrap up and compare all these options. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great options. The FITPLAM for its versatility, Amazon Basics for simplicity, UNNMIIY for its safety features, FVIRDUN for durability, and Kepi for quick adjustments. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what matters most to you in your home workout routine. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your fitness journey and enjoy your workouts.